What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SENS ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company either way. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit the golden pocket, the upper level of this range, and it is the golden pocket from this bottom to this top. As you can see, we can adjust it a little bit. And from this point we had a small reaction and then we broke it to the downside. And for now we have a reaction from the next Fibonacci retracement level. It is a 0.786 at the price point of $3.38. And I have to say that we don't have any news that might drive the price of this company lower, because let me show it to you. Because if you type in Google SENS stock and switch to news tab folder, you won't see any recent news related to this company. And if you type in SENS ticker right here on Seeking Alpha, you also won't see any latest news. The latest one was on November the 9th. And if you take a look on analysis column, you will see October the 6th as the latest date where we might have this article. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. For those of you who don't know, Senseonics Holdings, a medical technology company, develops and commercializes continuous glucose monitoring systems for people with diabetes in the United States, Europe, the Middle East and Africa. And they have two main products. It is Eversense and Eversense XL. And one of these products is for the period of up to 90 days. And the second one is for the period of up to 180 days. And we have the approval of both of these systems only for the European Union, and we are awaiting their massive catalyst, and it is an approval of this 180-day system by FDA for the commercial sales in the United States. And this approval will be a major catalyst for this company, because they have much more clients in the territory of the United States that already know that this system is a very good long-term system that beat all the competitors on the market. And let me show you their numbers. For now, they have a total market cap of $1.67 billion. They have a revenue of $13.55 million with a very good revenue growth of 35.3%. Despite of the pandemic hit, and this pandemic drastically reduces the numbers of this company, they have this basically very good revenue growth. And they have negative net income of $488.54 million and a pretty strong cash position of $142.78 million. So it is not the best numbers, I have to say, because of their losses. But with their latest earnings report, I covered all of these losses, and basically they increase their financial position, and it is a very good sign. So let me quote you just a couple of paragraphs right here. The President and Chief Executive Officer of Senseonics, Mr. Tim Goodnow, and he said, in the third quarter we remained laser focused on advancing the most innovative pipeline in CGM, while Essentia progressed initiatives to drive Eversense patient adoption. We are encouraged by the excitement demonstrated by patients and HCPs for the 180-day sensor in the United States, and we are pleased with the progression of the review and are hopeful the FDA will reach an approval decision in the coming months based on the positive PROMISE study results. We look forward to launching the new system shortly after approval. And this comment shows us that they anticipating this approval by the end of the year or in Q1 2022. And this means we still have a possibility to hover quite some time around the levels of about $3.5 to $3, maybe even lower, to hit some lower accumulation levels. And right after that we might have some news related to this approval, and this news drastically improves their fundamentals, and in this case the price of this company will skyrocket. And let me show you the TipRanks forecast. For now, we still have 3 ratings. 2 of them suggest to buy, 1 suggests to hold, and 0 to sell. And as you can see, even the lowest price target of $4 is above our current price of $3.44. And the highest price target is $6. And to our average price of $5, we have about 45% of upside potential. So this company is quite volatile, and you have to keep this in mind. And let me show you their institutional investors. And for now, we don't have much new price action or some huge price action on their smart money list. We have several companies that just opened their new position, and we have to keep in mind that these filings have a delay of about 45 days. And you can rely on this data only as a part of your due diligence, as overall sentiment of a period that was about 45 days prior. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have several waves. From this bottom we have first wave, second, and potentially, I mean first impulsive, second impulsive, it is a third wave, and we are in the retracement mode right now, and we broke the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and for now we bounced from 0.786. It doesn't mean that we cannot go lower, and we just shouldn't break this support, this basically previous bottom of about $3.14, because in this case we will be more bearish, because we will invalidate this movement to the upside, and we will have more price action and a little bit longer price action at this range below $3 mark. So, and let me show you some interesting pattern on the bigger scale, and let me show you right here. If I switch to daily time frame, we can see clear pattern. As you can see, we might have these bottoms as our trend line, and so far it is an ascending trend, as you can see, and we have this range of about $4 or slightly above, about $4.17 as our resistance line. And if we will have this pattern as our main pattern, it is an ascending triangle. And let me show it to you. If I connect these lows right here and these tops right here, we have this formation as an ascending triangle, and usually these triangles break to the upside, and we have to keep this in mind that in order to remain bullish, we have to hold this support line, and it is our trend line as well. And if we will have a bounce from the level of about $3.4, this will indicate that we are more bullish than bearish, and we have more chances to see some breakout with a huge conviction of volume and with the huge price action to the upside, when we will have an FDA approval for their 180 days CGM system. And these levels that are closer to this support line will be your main might be your main accumulation point if you want to invest in this company. But also, nothing is guaranteed in the trading. That's why you have to be prepared to potential some lower price action. And as you can see, we have these green bars as our main accumulation points, and we still have a possibility to hit some of them, for example about 2.83 and 2.73 level, and it might be also very good accumulation point, because it will be another support from this bottom. And if we will have this price action, you will be able to add to your position if you believe that this company will be successful. And I have to say that I'm more bullish on this company than bearish, and that's why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!